Everyone, if you are a developer and you use a terminal on Mac every day, then you probably type long paths like again and again cd applications mem ht docs something like this, and it's honestly gets annoying really fast. So in this video I will show you how to create simple alias in Mac terminal to save time and work faster. So let's say you work inside the memp htdoc folder every day or any specific project every day. Normally you need to type full command every single time when you want to open your project in terminal. So it's long, repetitive, and easy to mistype when you typing long path. Instead of typing all that, we can create one custom shortcut command. So first open terminal like I open, and then you just need to type nano dash dot zshrc. So you can open like this, and then you just need to type whatever alias or shortcut you want. So let me just put I going to create htdocs shortcut and going to make hd, then command x y enter, then you just need to update .zshrc by source. So just type like this zshrc, and it's get updated. Now you just need to type hd, and by default you easily navigate into the htdocs. And let's ls, and you can see I have folders inside these htdocs. So it's a small shortcut, and you can create these shortcuts for any long command like you typing php artisan show or something in your project, and script you are running with long command. You just convert into the small word and save your time. So follow and subscribe and like my channel for more developer shortcuts. Thank you.